So let's kickstart the decoding timepieces workshop, and let's begin by looking at your watches. You have your watches? Am I audible?
Yes, yes. This is mine.
I can't see it. Blur ho gayi. Do you want to send a photo of it?
Yeah.
You can send it to me on WhatsApp or wherever, and I can open it here.
I sent you on Tele.
Okay. What's the color inside?
It is kind of bluish sea blue color.
Sea blue color. Okay.
Yeah.
Manifesting issues. Let me share the watch
Mm,
here. Do you have manifesting issues?
I do, but होते हैं
चीजें
eventually they get
हाँ
delayed.
धीरे होती हैं.
हाँ होती है eventually but धीरे होती है, right?
Okay. You guys can see the watch. सबको दिख रहा है?
Yes.
The reason we switched to Zooms is because it's a large course. It will take a lot of time for you to understand just through Telegram notes and videos and audios. So we thought we'll just do an interactive session where we can get the knowledge out to you guys faster. चीजें slow होती हैं and बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं आप चीजों को एक्शन में लाने के लिए. माधुरी?
हाँ हार्डवर्क तो बहुत है. हार्डवर्क तो बहुत है.
There is less planning, but more, things go or time goes in executing what you want to do.
Yeah, I'm continuously on my toes. कुछ ना कुछ तो करते रहना है. I'm never free. ऐसा हो जाता है.
प्लानिंग भी बहुत है और एग्जीक्यूशन भी बहुत है. दोनों ही बहुत है.
Hmm. And I'm
Okay.
always short of time.
Okay, short of time. And you also attract good people around you who are able to help you.
Sorry, come again?
You are able to attract good people around you who are able to help you.
Yeah, eventually, yes. I am good with people.
So you get people who can help you in getting your work.
Nandita, you need
Yes.
to be a little louder.
Who said that?
Komal.
Okay, hang on. दो लोग are waiting in the. Okay.
This watch I've been wearing since I think just 3 months. My husband gifted me this. Prior to this, I wasn't wearing any watch actually.
And while you were not wearing the watch, what was the change between wearing it and not wearing?
Wearing it, uh, I become more quiet actually. शांत हो गई हूँ मैं. नहीं तो बहुत पैनिकी थी. Maybe my leadership qualities थोड़े better हो गए हैं.
After wearing the watch.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one more watch actually, which I used to wear earlier, the white ceramic one. After my husband, I told you he was doing that numerology course. Based on that, he said I should wear a golden strap watch. So he bought me this.
Okay. You have a number 6 missing?
Yes.
Okay. हाँ.
And I have this watch also.
Send me. We are basically, Shivani, welcome. We are taking analysis of your wristwatches right now. So if you want to share your wristwatch, you can please do that. So we can do the basic analysis first to begin with. रुचि आपने भेजनी है अपनी?
हाँ मैंने भेजी
वो-
आपको
आप
व्हाट्सएप पे भेजनी है आपको?
व्हाट्सएप पे।
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो, टेलीग्राम पे भेज दो, कहीं भी.
हाँ
I sent you
WhatsApp पे
the one
भेजी।
more picture.
हाँ जी, आई एम जस्ट ओपनिंग दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन एज वेल.
आज अटेंड करोगे मेरे साथ? आ जाओ।
कोमल,
हाँ जी सॉरी।
थैंक यू कोमल. Sorry, just sharing my screen.
Hi, I've shared my watch.
हाँ जी, आपकी वॉच हम बाद में लेंगे. Do you see this one, white one on the screens?
Yes.
Okay, इसमें क्या इशू आ रहा था आपको?
इसमें तो I had issues manifesting. तभी भी बहुत था. बहुत उतना कुछ अच्छा तो नहीं था. I can't remember, but अच्छा तो नहीं था, I can tell you.
इसमें कम इश्यूज है मैनिफेस्टिंग के, एक्सेप्ट दैट आपकी जो चीजें हैं वो आपके इनर सर्कल एंड क्लोज सर्कल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स से ज्यादा आ रही है रादर देन फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड.
अच्छा, okay.
हाय.
But every day I wear the golden watch only to my office now because of the missing number 6 factor.
हाँ, पर डू यू हियर मी गाइस? बिकॉज मैंने अभी अभी हेडसेट लगाया.
Yeah.
हाँ, it is more loud and clear.
ओके, सो मिसिंग नंबर 6 तो था आपका, जिसकी वजह से आपने गोल्डन वॉच करी. पर बेसिकली आपकी वॉच के अंदर की चीजें जो हैं वो उसमें ज्यादा मिसिंग है देन इन दिस वन. ओके,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
तो अगर इसी वॉच को हम गोल्डन स्ट्रैप कर लेते, इट वुड हैव बीन इवन बेटर.
Oh,
Just giving
okay.
you that insight. But we are going to be looking at everything on the watch front, and you will make those decisions further of what is going to be best for you and what is going to be best for the people around you. Okay?
Okay. Got it.
Anyone else who shared? Komal, you shared, but I'll take your watch later. Because your watch is among the recommended watches, and I will tell why.
I also shared, Nandita.
Mm-hmm. आपने व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा?
हम्म
एक मिनट, मुझे व्हाट्सएप ही नहीं खुल रहा. क्या हमने ये वॉच उस दिन भी ली थी?
हम्म Yes.
Okay. So have you changed your watch after that? No.
No. I just stopped wearing it.
Okay.
Anyway, the cell is not there. So that is why I'm now without watch.
हाँ, तो विदाउट वॉच तो और भी इश्यूज हैं टेक्निकली. ओके. इसमें तो बहुत बहुत केओस है आपकी जिंदगी में. ना ही आप ढंग से प्लान कर पा रहे हो, ना ही आप ढंग से एग्जीक्यूट कर पा रहे हो. रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज भी हैं, लार्जली मैनिफेस्टेशन इश्यूज भी हैं. let me enlarge it. इसके साइड में
हाँ
रिम इज डिजाइन वाला, हाँ,
हाँ
एंड इट्स अ वाइट डायल.
Yeah.
ओके.
And there is no seconds ka needle.
No.
Okay. So yes, a lot of chaos, a lot of manifestation issues, relationship issues. Thinking is not clear. Do you feel that you have a thinking issue? कि मैं जो सोच रही हूँ मेरा clarity नहीं मिल रही है मुझे?
Yeah, the time had been all the years I wore it. I had a very like haphazard things. Like lot of events happened. I wore it for a number of years, like seven years something. And yeah, relationship issues also.
Okay. ठीक है. Shivani, you want to share your watch or you don't wear one? शिवानी घूमने गई हुई है. Okay, let's kickstart the workshop. So पहली बात, वॉच पहनना बहुत जरूरी है. It is very important that you are wearing a watch because it is going to be sent on Telegram. Okay. It is going to be important for any kind of manifestation to happen. Okay. Of course, वॉच किस तरह की पहनी है, कैसी पहनी है, उन चीजों पे भी बहुत सारी चीजें डिपेंड करती है. But let's go with the disclaimer first that you should never rely on a reading to make decisions that would affect your mental, legal, financial, or medical conditions. So if someone says ये घड़ी आपके लिए ठीक नहीं है, इसके आपको health issues होंगे, just because of that one reading, don't start making changes to your entire life. Of course, you will try the recommended watches that have been given to you. You will see how they are impacting you because it's not like one glove fits everyone. So you will have to make a decision based on what is affecting you and how it is affecting you. These are generic guidelines on this kind of a watch will give this kind of a result. But maybe for you, that kind of a watch is needed because your personality is such that you work well with chaos. Right? So if I'm telling Ruchi that this watch may have brought a lot of chaos in her life, maybe she lives on chaos. Maybe she likes, her productivity is enhanced because of chaos. There are people like that on the planet, right? So, thoda decision making has to be based on the personality of the person as well. You can give generic guidelines. You can give generic predictions. You can analyze a watch and say, this is what is probably happening in your life. And we will go through all kinds of things based on the workshop. But I will always say कि हमेशा energy check करो. You guys are all healers. You guys are all energy testers. You know how to test energy. So always check the energy of the particular thing. Ki, is this suitable or not? Okay. Just don't base your readings, analysis on the bookish knowledge that is going to get shared. There are going to be, of course, all my work is done with pure good intentions. We want to bring to you the knowledge that we have learned, and we want to get your life enhanced as well based on, I have seen changes happening in my life. I've seen changes happening in other people's life. Only then I bring a workshop in place after I have tested it, after I have seen the results with other people. The results vary by individual, of course, based on the individual's personality, based on the individual's karma, based on the individual's life journey. The pictures that are going to be shared are all Google pictures. So it's not going to say that this is a recommended watch or not a recommended watch, but they are going to be just pictures based on what I could find on Google and jo watches already bani hui hai. There is no perfect watch, honestly. Perfection comes from who wears it. There is going to be symbolic significance. It is a symbolic reference of your personality, of what is happening in your life, your values, your aspirations. The therapy will give deeper meaning encoded in your timepiece choices. So if you are choosing a particular thing, you are choosing that chaos to come into your life, you are choosing a relationship issue to come into your life, you're choosing a monetary issue to come into your life, or even a health issue. Okay? Like we choose everything in our life. We choose our watches as well, or we choose not to wear a watch. सो अगर मैनिफेस्टेशन इश्यूज हैं, या अगर हमारे को वो नहीं मिल रहा जो हमें चाहिए, या हमें वो मिल गया है जो हमें टेक्निकली नहीं चाहिए था पर हमने अट्रैक्ट कर लिया अपने रिस्ट वॉच की चॉइस से, दैट इज ऑल समथिंग दैट इज कमिंग थ्रू आवर चॉइसेस, फ्री विल. The life insights, you will explore the benefits of wristwatches, understanding how they contribute to stress reduction and overall well-being. Intentional living, you are going to learn to live more intentionally by aligning your goals with the wisdom of your wristwatch, like Madhuri did by changing over to a watch with a golden strap, because she used numerology to enhance that. Okay. Wristwatch analysis and therapy provides holistic insights into your personality, your preferences, and well-being. Understand how your wristwatch influences your perception of time, allowing for more effective time management. So Madhuri also said that she is short of time for everything. या माधुरी आपको होश नहीं रहता टाइम का?
Correct.
Because that is something coming from the current wristwatch that you're wearing. Personal growth
Okay.
plans. Develop personalized growth plans by aligning your goals with your subconscious mind programs. So everything is coming from your subconscious mind. The wristwatch analysis and therapy is not for predicting events. Okay? We are not going to say कि अभी ये हो जाएगा आपकी जिंदगी में, इस समय पर ये हो जाएगा. It cannot predict कि it will happen in January, or it will happen in March, or it will happen in July. Okay? It shows your relationship with the surroundings. The wall clock in your house, and we are covering wall clocks also in this workshop, which usually people don't cover. So wall clocks in the house manifest for all the family members living there. Similarly, the office wall clocks impact all the employees that are working there. Wristwatch affects the person who is wearing it. So it is more personalized. Of course, we all know that we should not have pendulum watches in our houses. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा टॉपिक है जो बहुत यूट्यूबर्स ने लिया हुआ है कि पेंडुलम वॉचेस नहीं होनी चाहिए घर में. You don't wear a watch? These are the things that you can have. Your time management is going to be problematic. Manifesting is going to be an issue. The person will not be fiery about their commitments and not passionate about taking action. क्योंकि जब हमारे पास काल का साथ ही नहीं है, the watch signifies काल, right? अगर हम हिंदू mythology की बात करें, काल है, समय है. अगर समय नहीं है हमने अपने साथ रखा हुआ, तो समय से कोई भी चीज होगी नहीं. Do you understand that? Wearing a watch shows you're committed to your goals. And housewives who don't wear watches attract a lot of family stress and health problems. सबसे ज्यादा देखोगे कि housewives नहीं पहनती. And you will see that they have these issues. Raise your hands if somebody has a question, okay? There are going to be 3 aspects in a watch. The dial per se, which will decide what and how much you're asking from the universe. The strap, which will suggest your personality type and how the people are around you. The numbers, which will decide what you're getting or manifesting. Guys, you'll have to take your own notes. Numbers will decide what you're getting or manifesting and what you actually get. Basically, manifest क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या actually में आ रहा है हमारी जिंदगी में. हम क्या चाह रहे हैं वो भी numbers decide करते हैं, हमें क्या मिल रहा है वो भी numbers decide करते हैं. Roman
Sorry for
numbers.
interruption. Will
Yes,
we get the recording later?
we'll get the recordings, but we are not getting notes. There are no notes.
Okay.
No, have to make. Numbers decide what you're getting or manifesting. Roman numbers, on the other hand, allow contact with people of varied backgrounds. तो बहुत अलग अलग किस्म के लोग हमारी जिंदगी में हम अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. अगर हम सेल्स में हैं, अगर हम ऑफिस स्पेस में हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं, तो हमारे बहुत अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड के क्लाइंट्स मिल सकते हैं. या हम बहुत अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड्स के सप्लायर्स के साथ काम कर रहे हो सकते हैं, या बहुत अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड के लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हो सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली व्हेन वी से दैट इफ यू आर जस्ट एन इंडिया बेस्ड बिजनेस, कंट्री स्पेसिफिक है, तो आपके पास इंडिया के बहुत अलग अलग तरह से लोग आएंगे. अगर आप ग्लोबल हैं तो आप बहुत सारी कंट्रीज से या बहुत सारे बैकग्राउंड के लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हो. दैट्स व्हाट रोमन नंबर्स विल अट्रैक्ट. बट रोमन नंबर्स आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर होम वॉल क्लॉक्स. तो घर में जब हमारी वॉल क्लॉक्स होती हैं, दे शुड आइडियली नॉट हैव रोमन नंबर्स. पर ऑफिसेज में जो वॉल क्लॉक्स होती हैं, एंड स्पेशली इफ यूर अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी, यू शुड हैव अ वॉल क्लॉक विद रोमन नंबर्स. डज दैट मेक सेंस और यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस? I'm assuming it makes sense. I can't see you guys if you're nodding. It is also not suitable for home because you get a lot of third party interference, especially on the in-laws side. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at the wristwatch dial because that is one of the first aspects. What does the dial show us? The dial shows what you are asking from the universe. आप चाहते क्या हो? आपकी मांग क्या है? What do you want, Madhuri?
I want lots of money.
Okay. And Ruchi?
I want a lot of things like happiness in relations, career,
Okay.
fame.
Okay. And Komal? Shivani? Okay. इनकी
money.
कुछ मांग नहीं है यूनिवर्स से.
अरे मनी मनी बोला ना, मनी मनी मनी, पैसों की बारिश करा दे.
Okay. So the dial will represent what you're asking from the universe. Now, I haven't seen your dial, so I can't see whether you're asking for money.
I sent you
And
my WhatsApp.
the numbers will represent what you're actually getting from the universe. So, डायल हमारा कैसा है? हमारा डायल राउंड है, स्क्वायर है, ट्रायंगल है, हार्ट है, स्टार है, डिफरेंट शेप्स. डायल का कलर क्या है? डायल का साइज क्या है? All of that matters. Okay. Again, I am not going to be making decisions for you guys. The decisions are going to be made by you guys after you do the course. So, सबसे बढ़िया बात होती है कि डायल एक बड़े साइज का हो, which will identify that I have a lot of asking from the universe. My demands are big. Does that make sense? The dial shows what you're asking, and if the dial size is very small, मतलब मैं तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज मांग रही हूँ यूनिवर्स से. But the dial size can't be bigger than, मतलब ये नहीं कि वॉल क्लॉक हाथ में लगा के चल रही है. Okay, so the ideal dial size is 80% of your wrist. Not 100% of the wrist, 80% of the wrist. अगर आपकी wrist छोटी है, उस हिसाब से वॉच लेंगे. अगर आपकी wrist बड़ी है, तो उस हिसाब से वॉच लेंगे. One size does not fit everyone. Please understand that. Okay? All good? So, the dial size is what you're asking from the universe. The numbers represent what you are getting from the universe. Now, numbers हैं ही नहीं. What does it cause? An imbalance. मांग हमारी इतनी बड़ी है क्योंकि हमने फुल साइज वॉच पहन रखी है, लेकिन उसके अंदर नंबर्स ही नहीं है. तो what are you getting from the universe? Very little in comparison to what you are asking for. Does that make sense?
मतलब सिर्फ लाइन्स है वैसे, कुछ नंबर्स नहीं, 1 2 3 है ही नहीं वैसे.
Yes.
Okay.
And that is a numerology concept as well.
Okay.
Okay, Madhuri?
Yes.
सबको समझ आया ये कि हमने पेन तो ली बड़ी सी घड़ी, पर हमने सिर्फ नंबर्स के लिए हमने डायमंड्स ले लिए जैसे रुचि का है, या हमने डैशेस ले लिए जैसे माधुरी का है. नंबर नहीं लिखा हुआ. Manifestation issues will happen if you don't have numbers. So your dial size is big, but you have no numbers. What are you getting from the universe? Numbers represent what you're getting from the universe. What are you getting from the universe? Limited things. You are not able to manifest the way you should be able to manifest. Just give me a minute. Sorry about that. Okay. So dial size is important, and are numbers important?
Yes, important.
Numbers are equally important, but numbers का size is also important. ये नहीं कि डायल साइज हमने इतना बड़ा ले लिया, नंबर उसमें चू 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 से लिखे हुए हैं. Okay, so a lot of times you'll have, now Madhuri's first watch, the golden one doesn't have any numbers, it only has dashes. The second white one that she shared has only 2 numbers written, which is 12 and 6. However, 12 and 6 are good numbers to have in a watch. Okay, so leaving that there. So एक dial size है, एक number size है. Both of them should be proportionate to each other, so that what you ask is equal to what you get. मांग रहे हम हिमालयाज हैं और मिल रहा है हमें एक छोटा सा पहाड़, तो हम खुश होने नहीं वाले. So it's important for your happiness. Now when people are asking, I want to be happy, बहुत लोगों की ये मांग है ना. हैप्पी तो हम तब होते हैं जब हमें जो मांगा जाए वो मिल जाए. Yes or no? So to
Yes.
get what we want, we need to have that proportion. The dial size equivalent to the number size on the watch. What happens when the dial size is big and the number size is also big? Is that good? Proportion
No.
में है. अगर मैं ये घड़ी देखूं तो
haphazard है ऊपर नीचे.
क्या haphazard है? हम इस घड़ी की
मतलब
एग्जैक्टली बात नहीं कर रहे, पर हम कह रहे हैं डायल साइज बड़ा है और नंबर्स भी बड़े हैं. नंबर, द घड़ी इज ओनली फॉर रिप्रेजेंटेशन.
अच्छी घड़ी है.
Because the big dial shows that the person has big aspirations, and the big numbers show, because they are in proportion to the dial size, the big numbers show that he is going to be able to achieve his aspiration. बड़ा सोचो बड़ा मिलेगा. ये एग्जैक्टली वो घड़ी है, बिग डायल बिग नंबर्स, क्योंकि आपके नंबर्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. डायल भी बड़ा, नंबर्स भी बड़े. डायल भी छोटा और नंबर्स भी छोटे. छोटी सोच छोटा ही मिलेगा, पर हैप्पीनेस वहां भी है, क्योंकि जो आपने सोचा वो आपको मिला है. डज दैट मेक सेंस?
Yes.
बेसिक, आज हम बहुत बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ही टच करेंगे, हम बहुत डीप नहीं जा रहे आज. ये आ गया बात समझ में? बिग डायल बिग नंबर्स. Now here what is happening? The dial looks bigger and the numbers look kind of tiny. हाँ या ना?
हाँ.
So the
ना
dial size is bigger or greater than the number size. यानी desires हमारी बड़ी हैं, aspirations हमारे बड़े हैं, लेकिन हमें मिल क्या रहा है? छोटा मिल रहा है. We are getting less than the desired things in our life. It is also quite equivalent to missing numbers also. When the dial size is big, but the watch doesn't have any numbers or missing numbers, then also it's the same. We have big aspirations, but we're not being able to attract everything that we want. Small numbers are giving you the same kind of energies. You're not able to attract the way you want things. Okay? या नीचे एक एग्जाम्पल भी मैंने लिखा हुआ है. द गर्ल गेट्स मैरिड इन अ रिच फैमिली एंड वेयर्स अ बिग डायल. अब रिच फैमिली में उसने शादी करी, बिग डायल था, तो रिच फैमिली में शादी भी हो गई. ठीक है, एस्पिरेशंस बड़े थे, पर नंबर्स अगर छोटे छोटे हैं तो इवेंचुअली उसको रिच फैमिली में शादी करके भी फायदा नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि उसको वो शायद पैसे ना दे रहे हो, वो शायद उसको नौकर की तरह रख रहे हो, वो शायद उसको कुछ और कर रहे हो. तो कुछ मिलता है लेकिन सब कुछ नहीं मिलता. सोच बड़ी है लेकिन जो नंबर छोटे हैं तो हमें सब कुछ मिल नहीं पाता. मेक सेंस? दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ छोटी सोच एंड छोटी. Small desires and small manifestations. The dial size is also small, the number size is also small. Your desires are small and they get small from the universe, but they are satisfied with what they get, as the desires are not big. इनके साथ क्या होता है, छोटी डायल वाले जो होते हैं लोग, उनकी सेल्फ एस्टीम इज ऑल्सो लो. सिंपल अगर हम प्रिडिक्शन कर रहे हैं किसी का, छोटी सी घड़ी पहनी है, they likely have self esteem issues. Okay, questions so far? Now what's happening in this
मेरे घर
watch?
पे
हाँ जी, questions.
my husband has around 15 to 20 watches.
हम्म.
So now he's
रोज
stuck
अलग
with the
पहनते
one
हैं?
golden watch. पहले पहनते थे रोज अलग मूड के हिसाब से, एंड अभी वो एक ही गोल्डन स्ट्रैप वाला, लेकिन जिसमें वो रोमन नंबर्स है खाली, एक ही लाइन वाला रैडो का, वो एक ही पहनते हैं.
शेयर
तो
करना
ही फील
नेक्स्ट
स्टक.
क्लास में.
हाँ, यस, आई हैव शेयर्ड यू द फोटोज.
आज अभी भेज दिया, मतलब तो हम उसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में
हाँ,
लेंगे.
ठीक है.
आज हम ये डायल साइज खत्म कर लेंगे,
हम्म.
सो दैट इसका एक क्लैरिटी हो गया, एंड इट विल बी अ टॉपिक व्हिच हैज बीन कवर्ड. Okay. Now, what is happening in this particular scenario? Small dial, big numbers, or the numbers are greater than the size of the dial. है ना, इसमें numbers बड़े बड़े बहुत. डायल के हिसाब से तो numbers बहुत बड़े हैं ना. इसमें क्या है?
Yes.
Dial is your desires. So desires are smaller than what you're getting from the universe. अच्छा है ये बात. I like this, honestly. कि मांग ही नहीं रहे हम इतना, लेकिन यूनिवर्स हमें भर भर के दे रहा है. डिवाइन ग्रेस है, नहीं? Isn't that quite an ideal situation in life? Technically, it is an ideal situation. And अगर कोई ऐसा है आपकी जिंदगी में जो कंटेंट है, हो सकता है उसकी घड़ी ऐसी भी हो, क्योंकि उनकी सोच ही नहीं है बहुत बड़ी. भगवान ने हमें बहुत दिया जी, बहुत दिया है. Right? So let's look at all of the scenarios. Big dial, big numbers. Big dial, small numbers. Small dial, big numbers. And small dial, small numbers. The ideal is technically big dial and big numbers, because you know that you have those desires. and you are getting those desires fulfilled. पर अगर कोई हाउसवाइफ है, उसके लिए तो स्मॉल डायल बिग नंबर्स भी चलेगा, क्योंकि उसकी सोच बहुत बड़ी है नहीं, और उसके ऊपर डिवाइन ग्रेस रहे तो वाह वाह. यस, अब ये समझ में आ रहा है दैट दिस विल अप्लाई अकॉर्डिंग टू the requirements of the person or their lifestyle or whatever they are wanting.
How about the electronic digital watch?
We'll cover all of those things.
Okay.
Dial size, if dial size is less than 50% of the size of the wrist, then it is small. If dial size is 60% of the size of the wrist, it is medium. Dial size is 80% of the size of the wrist, it is considered as big. But if the dial size is 100% of the wrist size, then it is over big and makes you arrogant. ये भी एक पॉइंट हो सकता है. You will find people जिनकी बहुत ही बड़ी dial sizes है. You will easily be able to identify an arrogant person in a group. Okay? बहुत छोटी घड़ी है, सेल्फ एस्टीम इश्यूज. बहुत बड़ी घड़ी है, ईगो इश्यूज. Yes? All cool with that? Everyone understood? A small dial
Yes.
shows small demands and desires and low self-esteem. A big dial shows you want big things from the universe and shows your high self-esteem. But high self-esteem can easily become into an egoistic and arrogant person if the dial size becomes bigger and bigger. Now, I'm going